Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to find hidden coins on Phantom Wallet. So with that being said guys, let's get started with today's video. To find hidden coins on Phantom Wallet, you can use websites like gmgn.ai. So you can use websites like this to find hidden coins that are about to be exploded on the charts. You can use this website, or you can also use this website known as Dex Screener. This is a great website as well that you can use to find hidden coins that are about to explode on the charts. So this is the second website. So you can try both of these websites. You can also read white papers and go on Reddit to find coins that are about to explode. So as you can see, there are new coins updated every single hour or every single day. So yeah guys, that's about it for today's video. If you found this video to be helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.